as you can tell, my hair has changed. It's blonde now. So my first video was a lot of fun and I'm so lame. So today I wanted to do a review on this brand called Ipsy. Basically what Ipsy is, it's a company for only $10 a month. They'll send you like makeup products, hair products, skin products, anything you can think of like beauty related. You can get, I think, 5 items for only $10 a month. So this is the packaging and it's super pretty. I always look forward to opening my mailbox because I don't get mail. I'm in college and I really don't need mail. So whenever I open my mailbox and I see this pretty pink package, my day gets instantly brighter. But this is the packaging. It's cute and shiny. So when you open it, you get a makeup bag, and this is what this month looks like. And it's a mesh material. Sorry, there's a dog down here. I really like the way it feels. It's really fun, and I don't know, this reminds me of summer, and we're only in January right now. So that's something to look forward to. So when we open up, we get a card, and on the front it says, I will conquer something. So I don't know. On the back it says, game face, fact, you've got this. Whether it's running a 5K, nailing a job interview, or a consistent skincare routine, everything you need to crush your 2018 goal is already within you. But since we could all use a little extra motivation sometimes, your January glam bag, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, yeah, this just kind of tells you like the theme of the month. Okay, so the first thing that I pull out is this charcoal wash-off face mask. It says a 15-minute facial therapy deep cleansing mud-based formula. It unclogs pores and lifts away impurities. So I'm excited about trying this. Wonder what it smells like. I can't smell anything. I'm still stuffy. I like masks. I just love the way my skin feels afterwards. So I feel like my skin has been on a high stress level for the past couple of weeks since I've been sick. So I'm really excited to try this. This is what it looks like. The next thing in here, it's a rich vanilla shea butter, deeply nourishing, intensely smoothing body butter balm. It has shea butter, aloe vera. It says they leave out parabens, a word I don't know how to say, and GMOs. But yeah, let's smell this. Mmm. Y'all, this smells like cake. Oh, it smells so good. Honestly, I wish this was edible. It smells so good, y'all. Oh, I wish y'all could smell it through the camera. The next thing I have out of the bag is I don't know how you say this, a Bella Pierre Cosmetics. It's a Stay Put Brow Gel. And I know on this one there were 2 different colors. I'm not sure what the other one was, but this one is in the color Licorice. And honestly, I don't know how I use this. Like, I don't know how I feel about this, but I'm really picky when it comes to what I put on my eyebrows, so I probably won't use this. I'll probably just give this away to somebody. The next thing I have in here is a So Susan Cosmetics Liquid Matte Long Wearing Liquid Lipstick. I got the color Raisin Flesh. I know there's another color as well, but I think it was more of an orangey color. Honestly, I probably wouldn't wear orange. Watch this. Y'all, this smells so good. Oh my goodness. I don't know what this smells like, but it smells so good. This is the color. This is what the packaging looks like. The last thing that I have in my bag is by The Balm Cosmetics, and it's a Mary Luminizer, aka the Luminizer. So it's this really pretty highlight. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's what it looks like. The packaging is super cute, honestly. I'm all about packaging, and I just think this is so cute. Like, look at this. It looks like that. It's like a little book, y'all. And then inside, it looks like that. That's pretty much all I have. With Ipsy, they do like sample sizes, obviously, like this. but then some things you'll get like full products. So that's this month's Ipsy bag. Like I said, this bag is really cute. And honestly, like, y'all, $10 a month is pretty good. You're getting good products, and you're only paying $10 for 5 products. If you think about, like, yeah, some of them are sample size, but those can last you for a really, really long time. So you're getting 5 products for $10, and then you're also getting like the travel like makeup bag. So who's the real winner here? We are. So hopefully y'all enjoy this video. I know it's kind of short. Thanks guys, bye.